Hello everyone. This video features a stylish knit, reminiscent of Chanel's coarsely woven tweed often found in her designs. This knit can make clothing more elegant and stylish, and it is easy to knit, making it suitable for beginners. The knitting pattern consists of 2 loops and 2 rows repeated in an offset. The knit structure keeps it tight in both directions due to the staggered slipped stitches every 2 rows. At the end of the video, I'll demonstrate how to do this pattern by knitting in the round and both variation schemes, by knitting flat or in a round, on one screen so you can copy them. To begin, cast on an even number of stitches. The first row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, purl 2 and make a yarn over loop. Again, purl 2, yarn over, purl 2, yarn over. The second row is on the right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then, drop the yarn over loop, slip 1 loop, pull it slightly to make a long loop, and purl 1. Again, drop 1, slip 1, and purl 1. Drop 1, slip 1, and purl 1. The third row is on the wrong side. After slipping the edge loop, follow the pattern at the top of the screen. The repeating part is in the square brackets. Purl 1, yarn over, and purl 1. Again, purl 1, yarn over, and purl 1. Purl 1, yarn over, and purl 1. The fourth row is on the right side. Slip the edge loop first. Then, purl 1, drop 1, and slip 1. Purl 1, drop 1, and slip 1. When knitting in the round, all rows are on the right side and there are no edge stitches. We start with an even number of loops. On the first row, we knit according to a new scheme. Make a yarn over, then knit 2 loops. Make a yarn over, then knit 2 loops. The second row remains the same. The repeat pattern is drop 1, slip 1, and purl 1. Drop 1, slip 1, and purl 1. On the third row, we knit according to a new scheme. Knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. Knit 1, yarn over, and knit 1. The fourth row remains the same. The repeat pattern is purl 1, drop 1, and slip 1. Purl 1, drop 1, and slip 1. On this screen, you can see both variation schemes, knitting flat and knitting in the round. You can capture them by pausing the video and taking a screenshot with the print screen button. In conclusion, I have presented you with a very stylish knit with a beautiful relief that resembles coarse tweed and is an ideal choice for an elegant Chanel-style cardigan. I highly recommend it. If you found the video helpful, please click the thumbs up button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enable notifications so you never miss a video. Click my Knit Knot Space Shop icon or the link in the description below the video to see my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift. Thank you for being a part of this, and I am excited to see you soon.